Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Welcome back to a brand new episode. This episode, I want to talk to you about owning a motorcycle. Uh, why you want one and why you need one, and how you buy one. First off, as a foreigner, you cannot put any motorcycle or a car for that matter on your name. So if you have a partner, then it has to be on her or his name, yeah. Then you can buy yourself a motorcycle. But if you already have a partner, then probably he or she already has a motorcycle, because it's the most convenient way to travel in Indonesia, because as you can see, the traffic is bad in comparison with other countries in the world. Well, I would say most of Southeast Asia, the preferred way for transport is motorcycle, because yeah, of course, it's so much nimble. Yeah, you can go past cars, zoom past trucks or trolleys, any other stuff. So that's one way. How to get one, how to buy one is oops, I misjudged here. How to buy one is quite easy. If you know someone, if you live for some time in Indonesia, you probably have friends, right? You can ask your friends if they know someone who wants to sell a motorcycle. Probably there's someone who needs the money, and you can buy it from them second hand. You can go to the dealers, then you have to buy, of course, new. You'll probably pay a jackpot depending on what you want. You can have a very lavish motorcycle or very simple, depending on your budget. But most people go for second-hand motorcycles, and there are of course different kinds of motorcycles. It's like a kind that's like a scooter, a Vespa, like this one, the Vario, or a Beat, Honda Beat, or you have yourself like a motorcycle, a naked bike, or one you can get one of those Kawasaki Ninjas, those racer bikes, race bikes. It all depends on your budget. The most used brand in Indonesia is Honda, because Indonesia has a Honda factory here. Also Yamaha is quite common, especially the NMAX, Yamaha NMAX or XMAX, or the other one, I cannot think of what. That's also one type of brand that you can also rely on. The other option is to buy online. You can use apps like OLX. You can download it for free in Indonesia on the App Store, Google Play Store, or on the Apple Play Store, App Store, and you can use that to find yourself a decent motorcycle, preferably with low mileage. If you find one, then you need to, of course, check the damn thing out, right? You probably need someone who knows motorcycles. You need to bring them with you, or him or her, so that they can check whether the motorcycle they're selling is legit or not. So from my experience of buying a motorcycle online, I bought this through my motorcycle Yamaha NMAX online. It has a very low mileage, and it was not that expensive. It was not that expensive compared to what I would buy if I buy this in Europe, and still drives like a champ. The only thing that I did was to oh shit, took the wrong lane, you guys. I need to go to the left. Yeah, what I did was I changed the oil of the motorcycle. Everything was fine. Everything was okay. Tire pressure was okay. Everything looks fine. And it has low mileage, which is also a bonus. Because it has low mileage, the seller that I bought it from wouldn't budge on the price. So I'd haggle for the price to lower it a little bit, but the seller knows or knew that this motorcycle has only 8,000 kilometers. 8,000 kilometers sounds a lot, right? But if you're in Indonesia and you use your motorcycle a lot, then it can tell you to thousands, tens of thousands of kilometers. I've seen a motorcycle of similar build year. This was from 2019. This not the same color though. I've seen one, same build, the same model, same build year. It has like 21,000 kilometers. This one, there's only 8, has 8,000 when I bought it. My God, man, this is how we pass. Just like that. Yeah, so this whole has only 8,000 kilometers. So, of course, mileage may vary, right? Like they say. All depends what you're looking for in a motorcycle. If you want low mileage, you probably pay a higher price. Same with cars, yeah. Cars is also the same. If you buy a car with low mileage, you often pay more than one with higher mileage. It's normal. So yeah, that's basically the way you look for a motorcycle here. You can use your friends, ask them if they know someone. You can look online. Also an option through the internet, of course, yeah. And you can use the app, OLX app. That's one way to buy yourself a motorcycle. I need to go to the left here. So that's it, you guys. If you have enjoyed this video, consider subscribing to my channel and give a thumbs up. If you don't like this video, write a comments in the section why you don't like it, of course. If you have any suggestions whatsoever. Well, that's it. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Have a nice day. And stay safe, you guys. Take care. See you on the next video, yeah? Bye bye now. This is school now. Still recording. I need to go past the school. Okay, you guys. We'll be signing off. Bye bye now.